all of my philosophy to be a one-stop shop. To have the larger excavation equipment, grading equipment, and dirt moving equipment, to be able to be on the ground floor to build the pads, do the clearing, and do the demolition. And then I would be able to do everything on the site with my compact equipment all the way through the end. Most of my customers are custom home builders, waterfront, that take property, demo a house, and then put up a new house on that beautiful lot. I was always intrigued by heavy equipment when I was younger, so it was natural that I picked heavy equipment as a career. I went to heavy equipment operator school and then joined the local apprenticeship program for the local union and did 3 years of apprenticeship program and got my union card to be a union operator on dirt sites. And then I had an opportunity to buy into a company that was already established. It's what I love to do. Well, this morning's job was a little tight to get underneath a footer and around a tree so the plumbers could install their plumbing pipes for drainage. With the extendable arm on the E35, I'm able to get the material further away from the ditch and give myself more room. Invest in reliable equipment to decrease downtime, increase productivity, and to keep your customers happy. Because if the customer's happy, I'm happy at the end of the day.